Hello and welcome to another video. Today I'll be trying this. Today I've got this sweet potato cottage pie. It's from Woolworths. I believe this was about $4 or exactly $4. So it's obviously a cottage pie. Imagine the sweet potato is up on the top here. Same on the other side. It's a nice simple thing to make. Just simply microwave for 7 minutes. That should be good to go. And here it is, sweet potato cottage pie. So I'll put this in the microwave for 7 minutes as it says. I'll be back as soon as it's ready so I can try it. So here it is after it's cooked. It's been in the microwave for a few minutes, about 7 minutes as we just talked about. As you can see, the top of it doesn't really extend to the full size of the container it's in. On the outside we've got this sort of meaty goo. Let's try some of this. There's a slight bit of spice to it, rather than it's pretty plain mince. Let's try some of the sweet potato on the top. It's a bit mushy. Very hot. And it's got some peas in it. Let's see what else is in it other than the peas, the meat, and potato. Doesn't really seem like there's much in here. It's definitely very hot. That makes sense given I just took it out of the microwave. It's a bit bland if you like this sort of stuff. A cottage pie with sweet potato is probably fine. I don't really often have sweet potato. I'd probably prefer something like a butter chicken or something like that. But if you like this video and like the video, comment down below your thoughts, and if you should and subscribe to miss any videos like this in the future.